Today I'm unboxing the Amazon Echo Spot. This is Amazon's smart alarm clock with a touchscreen, speakers, and Alexa built right in. Let's take a quick look at the box. You could connect better speakers via Bluetooth or the audio line out. The back of the box shows you some of the things you could do with the Spot, including making video calls with anyone who owns the Echo Spot or Echo Show, listening to music and audiobooks, or even using Alexa to control your smart home. There's also a skills store where you could download skills or apps for your Spot. There are many music services and news sources. Let's get started with the unboxing. The sleeve simply slides out. And as soon as we open it, we can see the Echo Spot. I'll put that down and we'll see what else is inside. We have the power adapter and the manuals. I think that's all. Let's take a better look at the manuals. We have setup information. It looks fairly simple. And we have Alexa information. Here are just some of the things that Alexa could do. Let's take a look at the power adapter. Note that this is not a micro USB like the Echo Dot. It's an actual AC adapter. Now let's take a look at the Spot. On the back we can see where the power adapter goes and the audio line out, where you could connect better speakers or even headsets. The bottom has a rubber grip to help it prevent it from sliding. The speakers are also located on the bottom. Up top are 3 buttons: the volume up, the volume down, and we have a button to mute the microphone. There are also 4 microphone holes on the top, so it could pick up your voice from across the room. The screen is touch enabled. Alright, so let's plug this thing in. And here's the startup video for the Echo Dot. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.
Introducing Amazon Echo Spot, a stylish, compact Echo with a screen that's designed to fit anywhere, like on your office desk or nightstand. Alexa helps you do more with your voice. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today, there are 2 events. At 8 a.m., there's a call with Grandma, and at 4 p.m., there's Ben's soccer game.
Use room-to-room calling to check in on the family. Alexa, drop in on the kitchen. And now, you can easily call most numbers in the US, Canada, or Mexico from your Echo device to their home or mobile phone at no additional cost. Alexa, call Grandma's home phone.
Calling Grandma's home phone.
Ready for some music? Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. And with multi-room music, you can play your favorite songs on supported Echo devices in different rooms. Alexa, play Walk the Moon on the bedroom Echo.
Playing songs by Walk the Moon on the bedroom Echo.
You can automate your smart home using the Alexa app. After setting up your compatible devices, just create a routine that will help you do multiple things with one phrase. For example, say, "Alexa, good night," to lock the front door and turn off the downstairs lights. Then, set a music alarm to wake you up. "Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow with Sia."
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow to Sia.
With a growing selection of clock faces and tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter. Explore skills in your Alexa app or ask, "Alexa, recommend some skills." To get a list of things to try, just ask, "Alexa, what can I say?" And when you want to go back to the home screen, say, "Alexa, go home." Enjoy your new Echo Spot.